welcome back to another vlog. And today guys ay papunta na po kaming Sioux City to buy some stuff to complete our care package or yung aming balikbayan box. Ayan, gusto na naming ma-complete para masil na namin at nang maipadala na. So punta kami ngayon guys ng Walmart tsaka Sam's Club just to buy some stuff na to complete the balikbayan box. Pero most of the stuff that we will be getting are from Walmart. Yung mga maliliit lang na mga bagay-bagay para madami, yung ganun. Kasi kapag sa Sam's Club, mas mura nga siya. Kaso sobrang malalaki lahat. So, kunyari para yung $10 mo, 2 tao lang yung mabibigyan. Unlike kapag sa Walmart, yung mga mas maliliit na mga bagay, medyo mas mahal nga lang siya. Pero at least kasi mas madaming mabibigyan. So, pupunta kami ngayon. I have my list now. Then, pupunta pa kaming Fleet Farm to buy some other stuff pa na ipapadala. So, ngayon, is just for padala day, not for our grocery. So, samahan nyo kami guys na mamili ng mga pwedeng ipadala sa Pilipinas. Sam's Club. Tatandaan ko na kung saan kami nagpa-park kasi lagi kami nawawala sa parking spot namin. Nawawala kami lagi dito sa parking area mga sis. Relate ba kayo? Ay, pati sides na ah. Sige mong bagat.
Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1. We're kind of shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like
Hey guys, so tapos na po kami sa Sam's Club. So ngayon naman diretso kami papuntang Walmart. Medyo madami na kaming nabili sa Sam's Club sa totoo lang, pero kulang pa yung mga maliliit. Kulang, nandun pa kasi sa Walmart. More on mga damit kasi yung nabili namin dyan ngayon sa Sam's Club. So, ayun. Bibili pa kami na ibang grocery sa Walmart. Gutom ka na?
Hindi ba?
Walmart muna kami bago kami kumain. Hindi pa kami gutom kasi kumain kami yung breakfast sa bahay kanina.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads.
Feeling ko talaga mabilis ano yung expiration niya kasi may cheese.
Para puta na.
Masira. Butas. Buttermilk. Sarap yan. 4, 5. We need 16. Doodle finds. Magkano yan? Napaka-bright naman niya. Maganda. Papansin. Ay, wala na. Nag-melt na yung mga tsokolate.
Still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. Well, shall we?
Done na kami guys sa Walmart. So next is we'll just go to Dollar Tree just for the stuff that we need at home. Kailangan lang namin ng, hindi ko alam yung parang upuan na maliit para may maupuan kami dun sa sala. Dun sa maliit na table. Dun kasi kami kumakain minsan pag nanonood kami ng movie. So para, yung parang ano bang tawag dun sa Tagalog? Bangko? Maliit na bangko. Yun. Parang nasa Pangasinan lang talaga yung feeling pag nandun kami sa sala. Kasi same ng sofa, same ng table. So yun guys, hanap lang kami ng pwedeng upuan. Dalawa. Para sa mga makeup ko. Totoo nga ang balita guys. Hindi na $1 ang $3. Grabe. Last year, nung lagi ako nagda-$3, nung kakamove ko lang dito, tig $1 lahat. Tapos ngayon 1.25 na. Grabe talaga. Inflation talaga. Inflation is real. Hindi lang talaga dyan sa Pinas. All over talaga yung inflation guys. Tapos yung gas dito mahal na rin. Sobrang mahal na rin. Kaya lahat tayo apektado sa inflation na nangyayari ngayon. Kaya tiis-tiis muna tayo mga sis. Sana naman baka naman ma-increase dyan. Baka naman. 32, 36. Awan. 32.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every
Mahal. 249. Ito yung nasa Walmart.
Walang pump yan.
Pag-pump na. $8 lang pala yun. Mura pala yung mga ganyan. Parang gusto ko yung ganito Kaso pa-blue pala siya. Ito Pearly Jade. Paint plus primer na siya. Bet mo? Kaya, ang sakripisyo mo talaga kaya talaga ito.
'Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby.
Ito. Tapos yan blue. Yung silver tsaka blue. Ito ni purple. Nag-glitter. Ilan bang gusto niya?
God, what was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later.
Ayan. Yan yung sinasabi ko na maganda kanina. Pero hindi kasi siya polarized. UV protection, something lang. Ngayon, sport mahal. Ito. 65. Kaso matigas ang Champion, no? Compared sa Adidas.
Yung ganito.
Ay, ito ang lambot nito, Hindi ito, Feel mo. Diba? Mas okay pa yan. Isang kababayan na naman po natin ang madami pong dala. Nabudol na naman po dito sa Coast.
Tagdudo ko sila dito, loko.
Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to you?
Hey guys, so andito na kami sa Panda Express. Grabe, pagod na kami. It's already 8:16 PM. Tapos maaga na naman kami bukas sa alis kasi we will go to Minnesota. Ay, pinapasyal na namin ang mga states ng Amerika. Pero mga nearby states lang naman. May gagawin kasi kami tomorrow doon, hopefully. Another legal, na naman po. Pagod na kami kasi parehas kaming walang tulog guys. Nag-work si Mac kagabi and I didn't work but I edited a lot of videos last night. Yun, so parehas kaming puyat guys. So wala pa kaming tulog. Pagod na pagod ako. Ang dami naming pinuntahan ng mga shops para mamili ng mga gamit. Pero pagdating namin mamaya sa bahay, i-haul ko lang saglit and then mag-shower then matutulog na kami. Kain tayo guys. So we're here again, Panda Express. We got fried rice, chow mein, and Beijing beef again. Yan, kain tayo.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen
watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string. And now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me.
Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po yung part ng vlog na ito. Mag-shoutout lang po muna ako sa mga nag-comment po sa aking video na Get Ready With Me, Night Shift Nurse plus Free and Flex Prep Course. Ayan. Ayan, shoutout kay The Nurse Photographer. Ayan. Shoutout kay John Donald, kay Sue Aldo DIY. Ayan, stay safe Mia, sabi. Thank you. And then kay Gwen Corregidor, sana may a day or a night at work na po next time. Alam nyo guys, how I wish that I can film in our hospital. Sobrang strict doon guys. Hindi naman yung pinagbabawal nila or whatsoever, pero naririnig ko kasi na may mga previews na mga employees na nag-take ng mga videos like nag-TikTok sa loob ng bathroom, na fire out, and then may nagla-live na pumapasok sa hospital, nagtitake ng madaming photos, and ayun guys, naligwak din. So, I don't wanna be in that situation. So, I don't know guys kung paano ko gagawin yung a day or a night at work kasi I'm not comfortable doing that because of a lot of reason here. Hindi na siya parang sa hospital sa atin na pwede ka lang mag-take ng videos and photos. Sobrang strict ng HIPAA violation. One HIPAA violation, you can be fired out right away. And kung hindi ka man ma-fired out, pagchichismisan ka ng mga katrabaho mo kasi you are not into the policy. Yun, alam mo yun, you're not following the rules. So, I don't wanna be in that situation. So, abang-abang lang guys, one of these days kung magagawa natin siya, how I wish. Ayan. Shoutout din kay Nurse Marian RN. Makakatuwa mag-binge watch ng videos mo. Pa-shoutout naman Mia. Sabi niya, ayan, nasis. Ito na yung shoutout mo, Nurse Marian RN. Ayan. And then shoutout din kay Ibrahim Hailil, kay George Brown, kay Lady Joy, Nomi Milante, and Brycel. Hindi ko alam paano basahin to eh. VRYCL. Ma'am, saan po kayo bumili ng scrub suit nyo? Oh my God, hindi ko pa pala siya na answer. And then kay Leia's Diary, and then kay Ronnie Caberto. Shoutout din kay Raymond Caberto and Michael Haushan Vlog. And then kay Abner Pablo. And then kay ESL TV 13 channel. And then kay It's Me Cherry. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for commenting. Thank you so much for supporting the vlog. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get weak in the knees. There's nobody else I'd rather